What's up guys, welcome to Lativa's Python tutorial. Last time we had talked about the first part of list, and this time we're gonna talk about the second part of list. First of all, slice list. For example, we say a list A equals T E S L and A. But if we want to access the specified priority in the slice, we can just use slice list. For example, list A 2, and we use colon as a slice operator. 4. And what means we slice from 0, 1, 2 to S to 3, 4 before 4. So we slice 2 to 3. We execute it. Yeah, you can see we access S and L. Or we change 2 to 5, execute it. Or 1 to 5, or 1 to -1. Alright, it is very easy, right? And in another way, let's go on change or add elements to a list. We set a list about Williamson rebound equals 11, 9, 8, 10, and 12. But in the situation we find we typed the wrong number in the Williamson rebound record, what should we do? We can change Williamson rebound 0 equals 10. It means priority 0, 11. We want to change 11 to 10. So we print it. Yeah, as you can see, the list has changed. 10, 9, 8, 10, and 12. And what if we want to change various elements in the list? What should we do? In the same way, we use concept of slice. 1 colon 4 equals 11, 11, and 11, and we print it. Yeah, as you can see, the list of Williamson rebound has changed to 10, 11, 11, 11, and 12. Alright, let's go on and take a look. Add includes append and extend method. For example, what if we want to add elements after the elements of Williamson rebound list? What should we do? We can just use append method. For example, Williamson rebound append 7, and we print Williamson rebound. As you can see, 10, 11, 11, 11, 12, and 7. In another way, what if we want to add various elements? What should we do? We can use extend method. For example, 8, 9, and 10. Execute it. Yeah, as you can see, 8, 9, and 10 to be added in Williamson rebound list. Alright, let's go on and take a look. Insert method. For example, we set a new list A equals 2, and 3. And what if we want to insert elements of 7 between 2 and 3? What should we do? We can just use insert method. One and 7. It means we insert 7 into priority 1 in the list. We print it. Yeah, as you can see, 2, 7, and 3. Alright, it is simple, right? Then we have talked about slice, list, change, add, append, extend, and insert method in list. If you like this video, please keep thumbs up, share this video, and subscribe. See you next time.